These little doors here come with these little slidey things. So you just put it in the hole, they're the mounts, and then you gotta hit them. Sink them in, and that's what screws the side of the wood to mount them. So these here are going to be 4-foot doors, sliding doors. So this is an 8-foot track. So we're mounting those. Now we're gonna put the end pieces on. We'll go ahead and put the sliders, and we'll come in and make the door in a little while. So we got one of the end pieces on. Now we're putting the rollers, just gonna make them in there so we can put the other end piece on. So it comes in a little kit. You just slide the roller in there. We went ahead and put the washer and the piece that's gonna go on the wood just so we don't lose them. And slide them bad boys down there. We're gonna go ahead and put the other end on now, so when we mount it, the rollers and stuff won't come out. We can get a good measurement to know how big our door needs to be. But we'll have to probably take this back out whenever we go to mount the door, because there's not enough room just to slide the door up on the rollers without having it out. So we probably won't tighten this. Well, this is gonna go on the inside, so I'll go ahead and tighten it. No big deal, we have to take it off. All right, so we're ready to mount this one. So hang tight, we'll show you what we're going to do. All right, so we just took screws and mounted into the side. So we got this bad boy mounted, and now we're ready to make our door to shut this stall off. Pretty easy. Yep. You gotta remember, that's that piece of shit one. Jesus Christ. Can you, and you're not gonna like this, can you pull it out and flip it over? This ring end right here is crooked or dog shit.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
Please. Go move to that corner and just make sure it's 22.